Hi guys! Come with us on a little day to K Canteen TAF Commute Edition. For today's mini vlog, ipapakita namin sa inyo exactly how to get there. Since galing kami sa Baclaran, sumakay kami from Madam Tourist Asiana Station, then bababa kami sa Vito Cruz stations, around 7 stations away lang from Asiana. Pagdating sa Vito Cruz, we exited through E3 near College of St. Benil. From there, dire-diretso lang kami hanggang makarating sa Estada Street near Chowking. Pagdating sa Chowking, kumanan lang kami, then walk straight ulit hanggang makita yung first street sa left side. Pagliko, may makikita kayong Bok Chicken and Red Doors. Dire-diretso lang ulit hanggang makita niyo yung K Canteen signage. Since nasa second floor siya, akyat lang kayo upstairs. And yay, we finally arrived at K Canteen. Pagpasok namin, medyo marami ng tao, probably because malapit ng mag-lunchtime, so we lined up agad to order. For payment, they accept both cash and GCash. Their buffet is 279 and pwede rin kayong mag-add ng order like ramen and drinks if gusto nyo ng extra. Since Saturday kami pumunta, kasama sa menu nila that day yung Korean sausage, and other side dishes and soup. Nag-add din kami ng 1 peach iced tea for 99 pesos but they also provide free water. The food was honestly really good, super duper cute ng concept, parang nasa Korean high school canteen ka talaga. Super sulit din for the price and nakakabusog. Quick reminder lang guys, they have no leftover policy so make sure na kaya niyong ubusin yung kukunin niyo. After eating, they also practice play go, so don't forget to return your trays in front. Overall, we really enjoyed our experience here and definitely babalik kami. So if you're looking for a new date spot around TAF, you should definitely check this out. Bye guys!